Hey everybody, welcome to another motovlog. This motovlog is a little special because I have to get to a special place called Hawthorne for my job. It's like a special assignment, and I miscalculated the time. I thought it would take like an hour to get there, but now traffic is so bad that it takes about 2 hours to get there, so I'm gonna be late. But the silver lining is that we have a motorcycle, so we could lane split and get there fast as fuck. So let's see how long it takes us to get there with a motorcycle. So right now it says 2 hours and 13, and the ETA is 9:40. Let's see if we could reach the target at about 9 o'clock. That's the goal. That is the goal, gentlemen and ladies. See what we got. I think my nav is telling me to take local. Fuck, I'm wasting time here. Oh, maybe that's why it's taking so long. Holy shit, I'm fucking dumb. Holy shit, let me alrighty, I may have fucked up there. It's not gonna take 2 hours. Hold up a second. There you go, it says avoid highways. I'm an idiot. It's only gonna take 38. All right, not too bad. Jesus Christ, had me scared there. Had me scared there. I was like, what the fuck, 2 hours? Get the fuck out of here. All right, scrap that shit. It's only gonna take 38 minutes. All right, what the fuck am I talking about? I forgot that last time I rode, I put the nav to skip highways, avoid highways, but man, I was like, wait, I fucking like got on my bike, checked the nav, and I was like, what the fuck? 2 hours? I don't got shit. I don't got time for that bullshit. Sorry, my voice is a little fucked up because I was sick over the weekend, coughing mad like crazy. Ended up losing my voice. As you can see, I got a new thing here, a new phone holder, and it's pretty cool. It's cheap, 33 bucks compared to RAM mount, which is like almost 100 bucks. So yeah, hopefully it's you know, hopefully it's good. Oh fuck, I forgot my tunes. Fuck. Okay, Google, play some music. It's not detecting it. Oh, it's weird. Let's see if I could do this without dying. Come on, baby. Let's not die. There we go. Yeah, I didn't die. I didn't die changing the music. Fuck. Of course, we gotta go speeding, baby. Oh, that feels good. It's fucking warm, yo. Holy shit, feels good. Redlining, baby. Fuck yeah. Tearing it up, bitches. Let's see how fast this bitch goes. 116, 118, baby. 120, yeah. Woo! That feels so fucking good. Early in the goddamn morning. Woo! My voice is gone. Ha ha ha. Feels good. Feels so fucking good, baby. You guys don't see it, but I'm smiling ear to ear right now. Oh man, it feels so good. It's warm right now. It's like 78 or 68 actually. My fault. Look at that view, guys. Fucking beautiful. I turned on stabilization so I could, you know, have a more calm I don't know. I keep switching back to you know, turning on and turning off the video stabilization. I guess the benefit of having stabilization on is that my viewers get to see the view better, you know. Oh, it feels so good. Is that oil? Shit. I think there was oil in the road. I gotta stand up a little bit. My fucking crotch is like, underwear is all jumbled up. I love the fucking Ninja, man. This bike has a lot more passing power than my CBR, and it's so fucking good. It's like I could confidently just pass people. My CBR, it's like I had to double guess if I could actually truly, you know, pass it. I see another biker up ahead. I think he's taking exit 12 as well. You know, I go to work in the city, and it's like I don't really get the chance to like ride my bike to work, but you know, doing this is real nice. Like if I could go to work every day and I get to ride on a motorcycle, bro, I wouldn't mind that. I mean, I work from home most cases, but I'd rather, you know, go to work and ride a motorcycle and stay home, because at least it would be nice to, you know, make sure both wouldn't be too bad either. Damn, it's actually really fucking warm right now. Holy shit, I'm actually like heating up a little bit. I gotta get back to the highway. There we go. Now we're back on track. Oh, the state troopers are here. I should take it easy. 17 miles, okay. Like so. Like so. And then cruising. Ah, man. This is great, fellas. This is what life's all about, man. Just riding. I keep saying it, but you know, this is it for me at least. Just riding a motorcycle. I have never been so addicted to something. This is like the very first time where I was like, well, not the very first, the second time. The very first thing I got addicted to was gaming. Dude, I was a fucking gaming addict. Now I'm a motorcycle rider addict. Yeah, it's fun. So fun, man. Like this thing brings me so much fucking joy just to ride it, man. You know? It's great. It's so good. It's so good. Oh yeah, and I guess an update on the bike. I decided that I will buy a full system exhaust. I decided to go with the Yoshimura Alpha exhaust. The reason why is because you don't really need a tune for it, you know, at least that's what they claim. So and a lot of people have told me that it doesn't need a tune, so perfect. I'll get it, install it, and maybe later down the line I'll get a tune, but for now I'm gonna just install the exhaust and rev it up, you know what I'm saying? Section's a little sketch. Even the highways in upstate New York have like better highway roads. Like, I mean, this part is bumpy as fuck, but you know, it has curves and shit, so it makes it a little bit more engaging. While the roads on Long Island are like more long sweeping, you know, long curves. Oh, feels good, bro. I was cooling off my left hand. It's getting hot. I don't know why. It's hot now. Thank God for warmer weather. I'll be complaining about how hot it's gonna be soon. It's like, God damn, I'm sweating. Instead of, oh, I'm cold. It's nice. I'd rather take the heat now. Like before, I was a very cold-oriented person. Now that I own a motorcycle, it's like I'd rather the weather to be hot, so I could ride all the time. Speeding. It's good for the soul, baby. The amount of cars in the road, I'm like extra vigilant. I'm like, huh, who's gonna take my fucking lane here? Who ain't paying attention? I'm trying to, every time I go through these, I'm trying to look at their like side mirrors to see what they're doing, to see if they're looking. Wow, this place I'm going to is actually pretty fucking far. Holy shit. If I went earlier, that would have been nice. I could have fucking like sped through the entire section. I would have probably gotten caught by the po-po, you know. I'm closing it on 1,000 miles, guys. I'm currently at 63 now. 963, baby. Getting the miles on these bitch. I'm gonna follow that. Got a Honda speeding. Sketchy. I'm gonna just follow this Challenger. Following you, buddy. Damn, it's so fucking beautiful, bro. Well, alright, fam. I think I'm gonna end the motovlog here. Thank you all for watching. Appreciate y'all. Until next time, take it easy. Love y'all. Bye-bye.